Aspen, do you want a toy? Do you want a toy? Go get that toy. Yes, the first one who has a toy. She does. Yay! Oh, and she's checking out the sink and the other. Oh, look, she wants Flea.
Good for you.
Yeah. Oh,
Surprise.
That's a good girl. Okay. Oh.
Other ball. Here, honey. Go get it, Aspen. Go get it. Go get it. Wait.
Hi. Oh, hello.
No. Where's your toy?
She's very curious. She says, I'm just curious what's there. What do you guys have?
Initially looked at me. She's
Hi, gorgeous. Hello. Thank you for the kisses. Thank you.
Aspen. Aspen,
Thank
come.
you.
Aspen. Come. Aspen. Here. Good girl.
No wag. Oh, yeah.
Sit. Almost. Put your little butt down. Sit. Aspen,